How to use Google Forms. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Google Forms. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, as you can see, I'm already onto the main website, and if you don't know how you can access Google Forms, it's very simple. You just simply click on the Google application button right here, the dots menu, scroll down, and you will see the Forms option right here. Now, if you are already using any other Google application, then you just simply choose the hamburger menu, and you will also find the Forms option right here. Whether you're in Drive, Slides, Sheets, Docs, wherever you are, you can just simply click on the hamburger menu and you can access Forms quickly and easily. So now that you know how you can access it, let's go ahead and show you how you can create your own custom forms. So let's go ahead and create a form. So to create a form, you just simply click on the plus button right here, or you can choose any of these templates that you can see right here. But let's go ahead and create a custom form. We're going to click on the blank, and over here this is going to open up right here. So this is how it's going to look like. You're going to have this section right here where you can add untitled question. You can add simply options or other options depending upon what type of question you have added. You can even choose between short answer, paragraph, multi-choice, checkbox, drop down, linear scale, multi, tick box, grid, any other type of option you want. So first, we're gonna add the name of our form. So this could be anything, it depends on you. So let's go ahead and say we are looking to ask our employees how they find the environment within the office, or if you want to, see if you can improve your workflow for your employees as well. So we're going to give it the name employee suggestions, and over here we can add a description for this as well, but for now I'm going to leave it blank. And over here we're going to add the first question: what is your name? And over here, as you can see, this is how it is. We can choose it to a short answer so that people can add their own answer. Now we want to have more section as well. So to add more section, we can just simply come over here onto the right hand side. We will see this option right here, floating bar, where it's going to have add question. So this is going to add another section within your form, and you can add other questions. So over here, as you can see, how long have you been working with us? For this one, you can add a multi-choice question or a short answer. It all depends on you. So for this one, I'm going to choose multi-choice. So I'll just say for 1 year. Option 2 is going to be, so over here, as you can see, this is the option. Let me just actually capitalize this one right here. For 1 year, more than 2 years, more than 5 years since the beginning. Uh, as you can see, these are the answers that I wrote you, but as I said before, these are going to be different for each person. And we also have this other option. We can remove it if we want, so that people can add their own specific answers. Like, as you can see, we haven't added 3 or 4 years or 6 years, so they can add their own answers as well. So now we want to add another question. Let's say we want to ask, are there any complaints regarding the management? And over here we can add like a paragraph. As you can see, Google Forms automatically detects each questions and gives you the option depending upon that answer, depending upon that question. So for this one, as you can see, it chose a paragraph, so we can add long options over here. And over here we can add another questions, and over here we also ask, what do you want us to add to your work environment to make the workflow smoother? uh, as you can see, it all depends on you, but I think this is generally it. I think this form is good, and if you want to add more stuff to it, you can, but it all depends on you. You can even add images on over here as well. So as you can see, we have the image option right here. You can add these images over here. You can even add images right over here. So for example, we're going to insert a image. I'm going to go ahead and browse the images. There we go. I added this sheep right here. We're going to put this at the top right here. That looks much better. We're not going to add any title, and yeah, I think that looks good. And once you're done with your form, you can just simply go ahead and send this form to the emails that you want. You can add your emails, employee suggestions, you can add the editor as well, or you can just simply copy this link right here and you can send it within the group of your employees, and they can go ahead and check out the form and write their answers accordingly, and you will see their response right over here once they have answer the questions, and then you can even add settings as well, make this a quiz, response, presentation, default, anything, and all the other necessary options that you might need are available within the Google Forms. So pretty simple. This is how you use Google Forms. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.